is an advantage and sometimes a disadvantage, because you can change wherever you want, whatever you want, but usually sometimes some constraint can be helpful. In composite you can do whatever you want, and this is really interesting for the manufacturing player. This is really a big advantage, above all for the first manufacturer, because they can, together with the architect, you can do whatever you want in terms of shape, and this is really an advantage. But currently we are producing the line of hulls and decks of Ferretti 920, Ferretti 720 and Ferretti 670. We had also the experience of the production of the composite hull and deck as well, of Wally 43, Wally 48, Wally 58. So we have a big experience in the current production of the line of Ferretti, and we are dedicated for the big manufacturer producing. Everywhere. Our boats is 90% of composite. In the ancient time we had wood. Also the molds were made in wood. Sustainability is one of the key points that we are following also in this period inside the company. There are different trends that we are exploring, like new green material, natural material, 3D printing, because it's much more recyclable, the 3D printing instead of the composite. And we are also, of course, experiencing also the possibility to power in the boat with green energy. So we are doing a very strong test campaign in order to satisfy the requirements of green. Having the lab internally, the factory, helps us to speed up the testing activities that we want to develop. It's a different way of doing something. With 3D you can implement directly the final components without the needs of the mold. And this is very interesting for us, because the number of components that we have to realize is not so high. So molds sometimes is very underused. Instead, by doing it directly in 3D printing, you can do the work whenever you want, whatever you want. You can also explore other different shapes that with the molding it's not possible to perform. Do not be scared about the news. Sometimes we have to go out of our comfort zone, and we have to try to implement something different. Maybe something will be wrong, some other things can be promising. So we are doing this. To be honest, from the beginning of my experience, because for sure maintaining his flexibility, keeping the price of material not so high, because that is the tricky point. If you have to pay something that is made in composite more than in steel or aluminum or whatever, you're wrong. You have to take care about, of course, all the business. You have to take care about the three main topics: cost, time and quality.